Sometimes I just play too much.
So today I want to talk about controversial gospel superstar Kirk Franklin. And it really sounds like funny saying that, like gospel and superstar in the same sentence, but I guess that's what he is, Kirk Franklin, gospel superstar. And so Kirk Franklin, something that he did, I don't know if it's like a end of the year reflection, but it's coming to the end of the year. Like he did a video reflecting on things that happened in 2024. And in that video, Kirk Franklin spoke about a concert that he did in Jamaica in 2024 that was very controversial, went viral. People all over Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever, YouTube, were just roasting Kirk Franklin for that concert. And he spoke about that in this end of year video. So take a look. Gospel superstar Kirk Franklin.
So early this year, I had the great opportunity to go to Jamaica. Beautiful place. And I had a chance to perform. Watch. I am aware now that my choice of attire, which as a team we thought was going to be fine, being outside in the weather, was going to be something that would not come across as disrespectful. And since I've spent most of my career dancing and moving around and jumping on stage, that I didn't know that I would ever do anything that would ever offend anyone in any community, but it did. And because it did, I sincerely apologize. I sincerely apologize because I never want to get to a place that I can't learn what I need to do better, what I can do different to make sure that as I grow as a man, grow physically or in any aspect, that I'm always being humble enough and submissive enough to hear people and their concerns about anything being bigger than the message of Jesus. Because it doesn't matter what my goal and intent is, if I'm louder than the message of Jesus, then
Okay, so that was Kirk Franklin. Seemed like he was either apologizing to Jamaicans or apologizing to his fans worldwide for what was like his attire in Jamaica, like going on stage in that the short pants and the wife beater shirt, which I don't think was that of a big deal, because Kirk Franklin, being an American, going in the Caribbean where it is hot, and performing, even though that wasn't Kirk Franklin's first time performing in Jamaica. So Kirk Franklin is used to performing in the heat, so that's not his first time. But I don't think people were upset with him or giving him a hard time for what he wore at the concert. I think people were giving him a hard time for his performance at the concert, for like what seemed to be like Kirk Franklin up there singing Hosanna, Hosanna, we worship you, and pretty much like twerking and breakdancing and doing the most on stage.
but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
To the moon, to the moon.
I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
Do it again, do it again.
Love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you. I don't wanna love nobody but you.
I think that was what people were pretty upset with Kirk Franklin for doing. So sound off in the comment section. Do you think this was a genuine apology? Do you think would you accept an apology like this if you're like a Christian in Jamaica or wherever in the Caribbean? Do you think this was a genuine apology, or do you think, like for a lot of people, think that this is just Kirk Franklin clout chasing? Like they're thinking like, why at the end of the year would you come out and do a video and recap and talk about this? You know, like this is something that happened like months ago. So why now? So a lot of people think it was just Kirk Franklin, trying to go viral again, clout chasing. It was not a genuine apology. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you of the opinion that yes, this was a genuine apology? He was apologizing for his performance at that show. And do you think that performance was over the edge? Like if you are a Christian person living in the Caribbean and you listen to Kirk Franklin and you see his dancing and some of the stuff that he's been doing this year, some of the artists that he's collaborated with, what do you think about it as a Christian person living in the Caribbean? I think he collaborated with this young lady like Glorilla, or I don't even know her name, but some young hip hop artist. And it's just, to me, it's just wild, like to see like gospel mixing with hip hop. Like you could see like this young lady in one video talking about the most erotic and crazy things and dress a certain way. And then you see her in another video with Kirk Franklin talking about God. So I don't know. Maybe I'm old school, but let me know what you think about this. Sound off in the comment section and let me know. Kirk Franklin, just clout chasing or genuine apology? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.